Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text filling up animation, or you can do shapes as well. So I'm just going to do one for the, actually I'll do both. I'll just do the text one first, and I'm just going to type in text. Also going to select a font for this. Really like this font. And I am going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to select like a different color, maybe like this pink. Also, if you want to, you can like add a stroke to it as well, so you can see the text filling up. I'll just copy and paste that first actually, and then I'll change the color of the text here. Right click, create compound clip. Just do it on the second one. The first one isn't necessary. Go to video, go to mask, and select the horizontal one. It's taking a really long time to load. There we go. And I'm just going to rotate that. Also make sure the duration is long first before you right click and create compound clip, because you can't change like the duration anymore. Feather it out just a little bit here. Add a keyframe. And maybe like here in the middle, or like almost at the end, you're just going to bring that line up. It's pretty similar with the shape. This is what the text looks like. Pretty cool. For the shape, you're just going to go to library for this one. And I'm going to add in a white stock video here. I'm going to select a heart shape, and I'm just going to place it down here. And I'm going to go to background, and I'm going to find a color that I like. I'm just going to use this pink one again. Again, I'm going to select this heart shape, and I'm going to go, and I'm going to actually, might just copy and paste this, and I might replace that with this. Oh, it's going to be different size actually, so just try to make it like a similar size to that. Oops. There we go. Sorry about that. Then you're going to right click, create compound clip on that one. Go and select the horizontal one, and you're going to do the exact same thing. Rotate it and feather it out. Add a keyframe here. And then here I'm going to add one up here. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!